If you experience things like heartburn or bloating, there may be a chance you have a digestive disorder that can significantly impact your health and wellness. Doctors Lori Steele-Smith and Kristen Coles from Steele-Smith Natural Health Center are back with us to discuss a different approach to digestive wellness. Aloha, ladies. Always good to have you here.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. So how do naturopathic doctors such as yourselves address digestive complaints exactly?
Well, we like to say that the gut is the gateway to great health because everything starts in the gut. So as naturopathic physicians, when we're looking at the whole person and health complaints, we often start in the gut because there's so many different things that happen there, from the digestion and the absorption of nutrients to changes in your bacteria that can impact everything in the entire system.
Very true. What are some common digestive complaints you guys receive?
Well, we're seeing people with chronic reflux, gastroesophageal reflux disease, irritable bowel syndrome, people with chronic constipation, for instance, where they're not having regular elimination. And these are really common complaints. And sometimes the intestines can be related to other problems, such as eczema, migraines, chronic inflammation, joint pain. And so by identifying what's happening with the digestive system, we can often eliminate other problems that people are coming in for.
Wow, that's amazing, because everything is pretty much tied together, right?
Everything's connected.
Yeah. So how
Yes.
exactly, if I was a patient, I walked in, how would you treat somebody with some digestive issues?
We really want to understand what the underlying cause is. So it's not as simple as just giving you a pill to help your symptoms. We actually want to know why. So do you have a food sensitivity that we can identify via a blood test, or do you have an imbalance in something called your microbiome? That's the bacteria that live in us. And we can actually do stool testing and other types of specialty testing to understand those balances.
Okay, I like that, not giving just the pill, right, to suppress your symptoms. So what is it that naturopathic doctors do differently exactly?
Well, I think what we do differently is how we diagnose, so doing stool tests, breath tests, blood tests to look for food allergies, elimination testing. We change people's diet. So for instance, some people actually have a reactivity to grains, not even because they have a food reaction, but maybe it has to do with the molds that are on the grains, or it even has to do with a substance in the grain called gluten.
Yeah.
So we do food elimination diets, we put people on detoxification programs, we literally rearrange the microbiome in our patients so that people can have health and wellness, not just in their digestive system, but systemically as well.
Okay, well, thank you ladies for joining us. We'll have all this information again on HighNowDaily.com and information on how you can visit these doctors.
Brought to you by Steele-Smith Natural Health Center.